guys, what's up? How's it going? Today we're going to go over how to draw a blue gummy bear. It's gummy bear week. Today we're going to be using this marker. It's going to be very easy, super easy. Anyone can do this. If you're a beginner, you can do this. If you like gummy bears, if you like cute drawings, click that like button so I know what to put more of on this channel. Also, sharing is caring. If you do like the video, share the video when you're done with it. Let's get going. And it's gonna be a little bit different, this gummy bear design, just on the design aspect. We're gonna go same kind of U shape as the other one, a little bit more kind of, how do you say that? It's gonna be a little bit rounder, more angular. I'm gonna throw an ear on it, very similar to like a Mickey Mouse ear almost. The eye, it's gonna be pretty similar to the other eye. This one, I'm just gonna throw a straight up nose on it. It's line down. Smiley. Hand right here. Straight line down, straight line down. It's gonna be a circle for the legs as well, because they're coming forward. I'm gonna roll that all the way up. Straight line across. I'm gonna draw a circle at the end of the paws. Circle in the ears. So now what I'm gonna do is, that's easy enough. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna grab the blue, and there's a blue Scholastic colored pencil, and I'm gonna grind it in here pretty flatly. You don't have to do anything fancy. It's just gonna be a flat coloring, like you're coloring a coloring book. I'm just gonna color across the entire thing. So gummy bears are very gummy. I mean, but the color, it pretty much consumes them entirely. And that's pretty much it. So really, really simple and made for a total beginner. Anyone can do this. Like I said, if you guys like the video, press the like button in the description below. Also, I have a question for you. The question is, what is your favorite candy? What is your favorite candy? I'm gonna tell you mine. My favorite candy bar, actually, it's a candy bar, is a Three Musketeer. Love it. Love a Three Musketeer. It's awesome. I just don't eat it that much, like I said, because it's not good for me. But pretty much it. What is your favorite candy? I'm going to respond to you in the description below. Also, one last thing. Don't forget, it's you get a free sticker when you join my Patreon with starting at $2. So I sell a sticker for $5 to $6 on my store, but if you join my Patreon for $2, I will give you a free sticker. Thank you so much, guys, and I will see you in the very next video. Talk to you soon.